Hey guys, Thomas Talon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to give you a walkthrough on this 2025 Yamaha 195S that just arrived. Guys, what a beautiful boat. Nice boat, fully loaded out. It's got the black hull with the nice blue accent that runs down the edge of the rub rail. You'll see it's got pop-up cleats, the nice stainless insert. Also has docking lights. Beautiful white sports tower to accommodate it. Guys, let's take a look at the back. Taking a look at the swim deck on the Yamaha, you'll see there's a lot of room for entertaining, guys. Nice C-deck accents laid down. Cup holders on both sides to hold your beverage while floating in the water. Also a stereo remote to quickly change your music while you're back here hanging out. Nice telescoping ladder to climb aboard. Tow point here and a tow point up there. Guys, welcome aboard the Yamaha 195S. Taking a look at the bow, you'll see nice wraparound seating, storage underneath these seats, speakers located up front, and cup holders back here for your beverages. Nice walk-through windshield. You've got side-by-side captain's chairs, bolster at the driver's helm. Taking a look at the console or at the helm here, you'll see it's got the full-size connect screen, stereo, all your gauges, and a tilt on the steering wheel. The rest of the cockpit is nicely laid out, L-shaped seating, storage underneath this, nice C-deck flooring. Guys, for more information, please stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom or give us a call. Thank you. Have a great day.